Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the zkPEPE token. Now the zkPEPE token is just wrapping up their pre-sale right now. They have about 15 hours left on this pre-sale to go on pinksale.finance. They're doing insanely well. They're trending number 2 right now. They've sold a ton of tokens. They are well past their soft cap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the zkPEPE token. So zkPEPE is a decentralized Layer 2 scalability solution that uses cryptographic zero-knowledge proofs to offer validity and quick finality to off-chain transaction computation, aka ZKROLLUP. With a 0% tax and game-changing utilities, experienced team with a $62 million market cap project backed by VCs and top influencers, Central Exchange AMAs, confirmed Central Exchange listings, CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listings, and they do have a full audit here listed on PinkSale, so they were audited by ACE Audits, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to verify who they are for security reasons, and they have a SAFU badge on here as well, so all sorts of good security on this token. So 15 hours left of this pre-sale. They've had 1,420 investors contribute to this pre-sale so far. That's an insane amount, and they have they set their soft cap at 50 BNB, and so far they've sold 732.9 BNB worth of tokens, and they still have 15 hours left to go. So they're going to sell a lot of tokens. They might even reach 1,000 BNB by the end of this pre-sale. Now their Telegram is at zkPEPE official. Their Twitter is at zkPEPE official, and their official webpage is zkPEPE.tech. Now if you go to their webpage, they also have a full white paper over there as well. Total supply of this token is 420,690,000,000,000 tokens. Initial market cap estimate is $360,000. So if you missed this pre-sale and you're still looking to get this token shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the zkPEPE token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, zkPEPE.tech. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. According to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, 55.29% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 32.51% go to liquidity, 8% go to central exchange listings, 3% are reserved for post-launch listings, and 1.1% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, if you head over to their webpage, like I said, you can find a white paper, you can find a buy now button, roadmap, tokenomics, products, technology, information about the ZK chain, all sorts of stuff on here. How to buy, staking, so they have bridging, staking, swapping, a DAO, play to earn games, a meme coin market, all sorts of information on here about all their utilities. Let's just go over the first utility here. So the meme coin market. So it says, we've made the decision to enter the meme coin industry and introduce the zkPEPE project. We believe that the community will pay close attention to our initiative given the popularity of meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba, Inu, etc., we believe that being different from other meme coins and offering cutting-edge features will gain a devoted following. So they have the zkPEPE bridge is the first one. It enables asset transfers and communication between the zkPEPE network and other chains such as the BNB chain network. And yeah, so that is why this token itself is on the BNB chain, but it will be bridged. There will be bridging over to the ZK network as well. So it'll be basically like a cross-chain bridge. And they have the swap. So the zkPEPE protocol governs the zkPEPE swap, a decentralized finance platform that provides a comprehensive set of tools for exploring and participating in the future wealth creation. So there's going to be a premium launchpad, token staking, lending network, NFT projects in a safe, open, and accessible manner. So to begin using zkSwap, it talks about join the community, goes over the steps on how to use it. It's just like a DEX AMM, kind of like PancakeSwap. And then we have staking. Everybody knows what staking is. You'll be able to put your zkPEPE tokens into staking pools. It shows you the procedures on how to do that, and then you can get more tokens. And then they have the DAO. So this is going to be fundamental choices in tokenomics, cross-chain judgments, incentive allocations for zkPEPE, constitutional amendments to the zkPEPE, and acquisition and fusions. Then the game. So there's going to be the play-to-earn game. There's going to be a combination of the NFTs in the game. So if you get the NFTs, you'll probably be able to use them in the game when the game is out. 0% buy and sell tax, so you most likely will not have to change slippage from the default setting on PancakeSwap if you get this token afterwards. Now they do have a giant roadmap here. We'll go over some of it. So first started with research and development. Then we got security, auditing, and testing. Alliances with companies in the blockchain industry, and launch the testnet for the zkPEPE chain. Phase 2, initiate pre-sale of the zkPEPE token, so that's where we're at right now. Then we got public awareness, promoting the early adoption, create learning materials and documentation, and then we got hackathons. And then phase 3 is going to be scalability, protocol optimization, boost the blockchain and ecosystem like Polkadot and Cosmos, collaboration with clients, platform business, blockchain solutions, enhance and draw in more users, provide more features and functions. Phase 4, expand. I mean, this is a pretty straightforward roadmap. They're just going to try to do more and more stuff with the zkPEPE ecosystem, and there's 5 different phases. It talks about each stage more in depth. You could also check out both their Telegram channels, their Twitter, their website are all listed on their white paper at zkPEPE.gitbook.io. And you can find this token newly listed here on Pink Sale for another, we got 15 hours left of this pre-sale, so go check it out. Then this token will be moving over to PancakeSwap shortly after that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.